One of my clients in insurance used a Google Ads strategy that was so aggressive, it became the single biggest spending campaign in their entire account. It was bigger than brand, bigger than generic search, bigger than everything. Because the return was that good. All they did was put their ads directly in front of their competitors' customers and stole all of them. 14 years and over 100 million in Google Ads spend managed, and this is one of the sneakiest things that you can do on the platform. I'm going to show you the setup. It takes about 60 seconds. And then I'm going to show you how you can get even more aggressive with this and go after their customers on search. Short and sweet. Let's jump into it. So I'm here in a Google Ads account, just in the campaign overview section. And what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and click on Tools. Then underneath Shared Library, you've got Audience Manager. Go ahead, click on Custom Segments, and then we're going to click this little plus button here to create a new custom audience. So the first thing we obviously need to do is give this segment a name. I'm going to call this Sneaky Competitor Audience. Now, you've got this section up top, and it says include people with the following interests or behaviors. That's not the part that I want you to focus on in this video. Come down to this section here, expand segment by also including, and you've got this option, people who browse types of websites. So let me give you an example. Let's say that I was running ads for, I don't know, Whole Foods, one of the more premium grocery chains in the US. Their competitors are probably Walmart and Kroger, more mass market, less expensive generally speaking. If I was running ads for Whole Foods, it might be perfect to target the customers of Walmart and Kroger. Pitch our superior quality products and steal some of those customers, turn them into Whole Foods customers instead. All I need to do is click Save, and their custom audience is now ready to use. Now, this targeting isn't perfect. It's not like we're remarketing to their exact customer list, but if you use this targeting option, a good chunk of people who see your ads will be your competitors' customers. And if your stuff is better than theirs, this is a brilliant way to pull them over. Before I show you the more aggressive version, think about your biggest competitor right now, the one who keeps getting customers that should be yours. Got them? Good. That's who we're going after. So guys, you can build entire search campaigns around your competitor's brand name. You can bid on their branded keywords. So when somebody Googles your competitor by name, your ad shows up at the top, and in some cases above that brand's actual listing. Now, you might have seen some of the bigger Google Ads channels telling you to go one step further and put your competitor's name directly in your ad copy. Call them out in the headline. It sounds great in a YouTube video, but in real life, it's terrible advice. If that brand name is trademarked, Google will disapprove your ad and you could end up in a legal mess. Don't do it. And the crazy thing is, you don't need to do it anyway. Think about it. Someone's just Googled your competitor by name. They know exactly who they're looking for. So your ad just needs to give them a reason to click on your ad instead. And that's where you can get creative with your copy. Things like, there's a better option, or lead with what makes you great, 5-star rated, same day response, no hidden fees. The person reading that is already comparing you to the competitor that they actually search for. You don't need to spell it out to them. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, this only works if your stuff genuinely stacks up. If somebody clicks on your ad expecting something better and gets something worse, you've just paid for a click that makes your competitor look better than you. Only do this if you can back it up. But when you can back it up, that insurance client that I mentioned at the top, we built entire campaigns around competitor brand names. It didn't just work. It became the biggest spending campaign in the entire account because the return on ad spend was that good. We were bringing all of our competitors' customers to our business savage and completely above board. Now, if you got value from this video, you are going to love this one right here. But before you head over there, let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious about what the biggest problems that you face inside of your campaigns as it stands today. Bid strategies, competitors infiltrating the market. Let me know and I'll create a video on it. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button on the channel and I'll see you in the next one.